The following message is transmitted at the request of the Miami-Dade County Sheriff's Department. Law enforcement warning. A mass murder has occurred on 127th Avenue at the Walmart Supercenter. At least 100 people have been killed. The killer is described as having blue hair, white eyes, wearing a gray dress and holding a microphone. This individual is considered extremely dangerous. For your safety, remain indoors.
Welcome to this special session of the Overseer Council. An anomalous entity has been discovered in Miami-Dade County in Florida. This entity appears to be Euclid to the Keter class. Casualties are confirmed. The entity is based on the Vocaloid idol Hatsune Miku. This anomalous Hatsune Miku sings and those who hear her will die within seconds. Mobile task force units will be deployed. These units will work with local law enforcement to contain the entity. Further casualties are expected. This concludes the meeting.
Now might be the time.
Peggy! Luann, where are you?
Look, Dad, flamingos. The twister's coming! Run for the radio!
Take my son! Peggy!
Civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of a classified agency in the Florida State Police Department. An anomalous entity is roaming the county. This entity is based on the Vocaloid idol Hatsune Miku. This version is extremely dangerous. When she sings, people with a 200 feet radius will die. If you see Hatsune Miku, you should cover your ears and run away. This is a dangerous entity. Everyone should seek shelter indoors. Do not go outside for any reason. The classified agency has sent specialized teams to contain the threat. Do not attempt to attack the entity as it is immune to firearms. If you see the entity, report it to authorities immediately. Do not approach this entity. This message will repeat. The emergency alert system has been activated.